Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage sounds in Beko Dishwasher B300. So in the first step, turn on your device. Now hold the menu button for 3 seconds. Then use this button to jump to the 5 and your number. The number 1, it means it's a loud voice, this is a highest noise, and the 0, that means there we have any voice. So to apply the settings, just click on the power button, and as you can see, now we don't have the sounds. If you want to turn it on again, hold the menu button, then jump to the 5012 and click on this button to manage the settings. There we have a lower sound. To apply the settings, click on the button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.